After the tools have been measured, we need to set the 0 workpiece offset. Within the offset area, an input screen is available to set the workpiece offset. Press the offset button on the navigation area on the controller. Then press the horizontal soft key Work Offsets. Then press the vertical soft key Measure Workpiece. Any tool that has been measured for length and diameter can be used to measure the workpiece 0. On the workpiece measure screen, we have to select the active tool and select the 0 offset we are using in our NC program. For our program, we have selected G54. Move the tool to the front face of the Z0 position is going to be using the hand wheel or jog buttons. Press the Set Workpiece soft key. The work offset G54 is now set.